Alright guys, here comes Norfolk Southern here comes Norfolk Southern 15Q.
Norfolk Southern, milepost 4.4, track 2, now
defense. 15Q! Alright, that was Norfolk Southern 15Q. It came from Portsmouth, Ohio, and it's going to Decatur, Illinois. Also, last Sunday night was a terrible night. Mike Piper had to be put down last Sunday night. He passed away due to an illness. I miss Piper. Can't believe he's gone. Rest in peace to my black and white cat, Piper. Anyway, that was Norfolk Southern 15Q. It came from Portsmouth, Ohio, and it's going to Decatur, Illinois. Okay, bye, and that's all for now.